Good morning to all of you. Be ready for your online class. I have provided you syllabus yesterday. According to syllabus of class 7 science, your first lesson is nutrition in plants. Nutrition in plants. In this lesson, there are some important topics that we will study. First topic is nutrition. Second topic is modes of nutrition. Third topic is photosynthesis process, that is also called food making process in plants. Differences between autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. Fifth topic is way of protein synthesis in plants. Okay. Now we study our first topic, that is nutrition. Before knowing about nutrition, we know meaning of food material. Food is very important to all the living beings. Without food, no one can survive in this living world. Food is a type of fuel. This fuel provides us energy. This energy is important for our different kinds of basic processes like respiration, breathing, playing, all the life processes. Now we know what is nutrition. Nutrition is very important process for living beings. Nutrition cannot take place in non-living beings. Nutrition is process in which two important processes involved. First is intake of food. Second is its utilization. Its utilization means utilization of food material in our body. So according to these 2 points, we can make a definition of nutrition. Nutrition is a process of intake of food and its utilization in our body. Means intake of food material, and this food material will enter in our body used up this food material. After using this food material, we get energy. Energy is important for our basic processes. So we can easily understand the meaning of nutrition. Nutrition is a process of intake of food and its utilization in our body. Food material are also related to nutrients. Now we understand the meaning of nutrients. Nutrients are chemical substances that we obtained from different kinds of food. Nutrients are chemical substances that we obtain from different sources or different kinds of food material. These chemical substances provide us energy. This energy is important for our body. Nutrients are chemical substances that nourish our body are called nutrients. Here are given definition of nutrients also. Nutrients are chemical substances that nourish our body. Nourishment means for growth of our body. Examples of nutrients are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals, etc. Carbohydrates and fats are nutrients that provide us energy. Proteins is a type of nutrient that is helpful for growth of our body. Minerals, or you can say mineral salts, these nutrients help us to fight against different kinds of diseases. Means this nutrient provide us immunity. After nutrition, your second topic is modes of nutrition. Modes means methods of nutrition, or you can say food obtaining process. Food obtaining process is called modes of nutrition. There are mainly two modes of nutrition. First is autotrophic, second is heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Autotrophic is taken from two words, auto and troph. Auto means self, troph means nutrition. Like autotrophic, heterotrophic also divided into two words. Heteros means others, troph means nutrition. Auto means self, means the mode of nutrition in which organisms can make their own food without involvement of any other organism. Heterotrophic means, heteros word means others, means the organisms or nutrition in which organisms obtain their food materials from different sources, or you can say the process in which organisms depend on ready-made food material to other organisms. But in case of autotrophic nutrition, organisms can make their own food without help of any other organisms. Examples of autotrophic nutrition, examples of autotrophs are all green plants. Next example of heterotrophic nutrition, all animals. Come on, autotrophic nutrition. All green plants are called autotrophs. Why? Because green plants have capacity to prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. But animals cannot make their own food because animal cannot perform photosynthesis process. Now we can understand the meaning that autotrophs are those organisms that can make their own food, but heterotrophs are those organisms that cannot make their own food. They depend on autotrophs. According to example, all animals directly or indirectly depend on all green plants. All animals obtain their food material from all green plants, but green plants can make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. They do not depend on any other animals because they have chloroplast. With the help of chloroplast, they can make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. So now first topic is clear. First topic is nutrition. Nutrition definition are given here. Nutrients, mode of nutrition means food obtaining process. Two mode of nutrition, autotrophic, heterotrophic. Meaning of autotrophic and heterotrophic. Okay, thank you. Homework related to this topic. First, learn definition of nutrition and nutrients. It is very important. Definition of nutrition and nutrients. Second, differentiate between autotroph and heterotroph. Autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, thank you. Pay attention.